the position and situation of blood services in Kenya. We've been having the blood transfusion service. Now that health is devolved, of course, we have challenges coordinating the counties from the national government. There have been a huge outcry of the shortage of blood in Kenya. We've also seen main donors who have been funding the blood transfusion services withdrawing from Kenya. And so the bill is timely. This is in line with the Health Act 2017. When you go to Section 85, where the blood transfusion service was meant to be established, the ministry has tried to really look at the Health Act, but there are so many things that need to be implemented. And a crucial one is the issue of having the blood transfusion service being a semi-autonomous body, that it can be able to train, it can be able to look for funding, it can be able to actually go out and coordinate the issues of blood in Kenya.
Clinician, I know the situation is dire. Many of my patients require blood and there's just no blood available. Yeah, so at the moment. So I can say the situation is dire, and we are going towards the school holidays. Where traditionally we know that in the school holidays, blood collection plummets by about 20%. So you're putting this on top of the situation where already you have a blood service that's not even collecting any blood. So we are talking about 0% of blood coming from the blood bank. And maybe now it will resort to hospitals doing their own blood collections, which we know is not a safe source of blood. We have a population of 48 million, so using the WHO requirement of about 1% and upward to 2%. The minimum requirement of blood we need at the moment is about 480,000 blood units per year, which translates to about 20,000 units per month in the whole country.